5 places to spend 5 minutes to get back on track. Let's go. Diane and Emmerich here, rah, rah, rah. And if you're feeling a little frazzled right now, not sure where to start, not sure what to do, don't worry, I've got 5 areas today where we're just going to spend 5 minutes and it's going to give you that kind of inner peace. It's not going to be perfect, but we're just going to make things a little bit better. So let's get the timer started. And actually, before we start, I want you to do something else, okay? So take a deep breath, drink a glass of water, and also I would like you to put on one LOL, LOL, a load of laundry. So let's just get that in the washing machine. Let's just get it started, because just by doing something as simple as starting the laundry, it can really help us feel that we are back on track. Okay, have you done that? Okay, let's get on with the rest of it. So 5 places to spend 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes in the bathroom, and I'll give you 5 ideas of what you can do in this room. And get the kids helping. Maybe the kids, if they've got their own bathroom, they can do the same. Pick up and put away anything that's been lying around. I've got my fluffy onesie in here, and I've also got my bathrobe. Did somebody leave the toothpaste out, or do you need to put away your makeup? Let's just do a poopa, P-U-P-A. Do a poopa, pick up and put away. And let's look at the bath towels, hand towels. Do you need to put new fresh ones out or just hang them up? Something that makes a big difference is the bath mat, at least for us. And we've had 4 people in here using the bathroom every day. I'm going to change this one over. So this one is going in the wash and this one is going down on the floor. Do you have any rubbish in this room? Let's get it out of here. Always makes it feel nice and fresh. And it's so much easier to clean the flat surfaces when things are put away. So last thing is just take some cleaning spray, a rag, and just wipe off all the flat surfaces. And as we were talking about towels and bath mats, let's go and see how our laundry is getting on. Can you hear that? Nothing better than the sound of laundry going. So I've got a big load in there. And what I've got in there today are the towels from the bathroom, towels from all over the house. So I'm doing a hot wash, and while that is doing its thing, we're going to go off and work on something else. So let's go. And the kitchen, which is FLYLADY Zone 2, kind of the heart of the home, it is a great place to do a quick reset. And you know, I usually keep up with the sink, but as my friend Helena said, my bestie Helena, who's Danish, when Christmas comes, that's when the fat and the grease moves in, and it is so true of the kitchen. Anyway, I'm going to be spending a few minutes shining my sink. You may also want to think about any leftover food that you have. Let's get that used up. Also your herbs. This one I don't think can be salvaged. And when I have finished my 5 minutes, I'm going to use up the Christmas cake. I'm going to enjoy that with a nice cup of tea. This is a mug that my husband got for Christmas. Wait till you see what happens. And this is just also a little reminder to you, if you haven't started using your Christmas gifts yet, do that. Oh, can you see it's changing colour? Oh, guess who's here? It's a picture of my son's adopted rescue cat, Kiko. Isn't that fun? Great Christmas gift. Anyway, let's get back onto our 5 minutes. So wipe down the flat surfaces in the kitchen, do a poopa if you need to do that, a pick up and put away. And we're just going to say hi to Niels. Hi Niels. And then let's move on somewhere else. And for your next 5 minutes, we can maybe look at the living room, which is FLYLADY Zone 5. Think about any candle decorations that you have, or floral decorations. Do they need to maybe go out? Fruit in the fruit bowl, how's your fruit doing? Any kind of papers, magazines, maybe you had a TV guide, that can go out now. We are not going to be taking down the Christmas tree just yet, but I am packing away some of the other Christmas decorations that we have. And I do mine by area. So I've got a plastic box for the living room, I've got a plastic box for the kitchen, and one for the hall. And it just makes it so much easier because I'm just concentrating on one area. So these are the things that have been in the living room. And I just use clear boxes and label them like so. So it's very easy to find things, and it's very easy to put it away, and also very easy for decorating for next year. And our next place to spend 5 minutes is the hall, which is FLYLADY Zone 1. And what do you have in your hall? Perhaps you've got coats and jackets that need to be put away, or boxes going out for recycling. I got this delivery yesterday, which is my new ice swimming jacket. Very nice, but only one of these jackets is for me. So I need to get this box moved on because our hall is not a dumping ground for deliveries. Anything that needs to go into the coat cupboard or just a general poopa, pick up and put away. Right, then heading to FLYLADY Zone 4, the bedroom. So again, we're keeping it simple here, just 5 minutes in the bedroom. Maybe you can start with your bed. What have you got on your bedside table? I've got this one, it was a Christmas gift, one that I'm reading from the library, and one that was a gift from Hygge for my birthday. Have you got any cups and glasses here that can be moved? Any snotty hankies? Maybe you've got some clothes that you need to hang up. I did well in removing my gifts from the living room on Christmas Eve when we unwrapped our gifts. But I haven't actually moved them on since then. So I'm going to be opening these, starting to use them. And the little bar of chocolate, that's going to go beside the bed because I like to get to bed early, eat some chocolate and read one of my books. So that's what I'm going to be spending my 5 minutes on today. Okay, where are we now? Woo! Remember to check on your laundry, your lol, how's your lol doing? Also remember when you're done today to take 5 minutes. A little bit of self-care, maybe with a cup of Christmas tea or a cold glass of water if you're in the southern hemisphere. I'm going to eat the rest of the Christmas cake, yum yum. And I hope I've given you some inspiration today just to get back on track. Remember, we're not doing things perfectly, we're just making things a little better. And if you're ready for more after that, why not check out my playlists on YouTube where I do body doubling, cleaning along with you, or maybe just do a FLYLADY upkeep clean. Remember, just 10 minutes on each task. Keep moving forward. So I hope you will like, subscribe, share with a friend, and see you very soon because I've got something new coming for next year. Woohoo! So all I've got left to say is live long and prosper. May the Danish Hygge be with you, and see you very soon. Oh, I've only got one pom-pom with the ra. Okay, bye for now.